Hello. Today, it's going to be a little different. I'm going to recite a poem that I wrote and published. The link will be somewhere, if at all. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck. The clock looks down at its big hand, realizes that it has never seen before, and sees this: an array of countless interwoven emotions and storms, thoughts and waters, bodies and systems. Time is everyone, it expels. The mouse, ablaze, sees what cannot be seen, hears what cannot be heard, and feels what cannot be felt. In a grotesque yet provoking awe, the mouse begins to tear itself apart, the pieces copulating with each of the sort. In an unmistakable silence begins to break itself. Tug, pull, pull, tug, on and on and on, over and over and over until one. The mouse ran down hickory dickory dock.